Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to Ala's World of Finance. In this quick video, we're going to talk about Bob Evans Farms. I actually talked about this stock a couple times before in a couple other videos, so I'll leave links to those videos in case you want to see them. But I'll just kind of tell you what's going on here. I was trying to make a play on a special dividend that this stock is offering, which is at $7.50. So what happened is that Bob Evans Farms, they had two sides to their business. They had a restaurant side and then they had a packaged food side. Well, they sold the restaurant side and they obviously made a lot of money from that. So then they wanted to give a special dividend as a way of giving back some of the money to the investors. So they offered this special dividend of $7.50 per share. Well, I wanted to capitalize on that dividend. I wanted to take advantage of it. So I wanted to get in the stock, collect that dividend, make it to the ex-dividend date, and then get out, because I don't really know much about this stock anyway, so I didn't want to stay in it. I just wanted to collect that huge dividend and get out. Well, you know, some people in my comment section, some people liked the idea, some people didn't like the idea. Some people thought that on the ex-dividend date, the price would go down a lot, which I thought as well. And so they thought that it was a bad idea, but I was really curious and I really just wanted to try it. So, and I thought it would also be kind of a cool experiment for the channel as well. So I went ahead and just experimented with it. I'll go ahead and tell you right now, I barely made any profit, around $8, but I'm going to explain what happened because a lot of different things happened. And I think this is important information so that you know maybe what to expect if you ever come across a situation where you try to make a play for a dividend. So let's just go ahead and get started. Now, the ex-dividend date was on May 25th, which is actually the time of recording this video. So I'm recording on Thursday, May 25th, but the video will be uploaded on Friday, May 26th. So you're watching this probably on Friday, May 26th. So the stock prices may have changed by then. But at the time of recording, today was the ex-dividend date. So I sold today to try to get out. So on May 22nd, I purchased 10 shares of the stock, and I purchased them at $72.16 per share. That came to a total of $721.60. Well, on May 25th, today was the ex-dividend date. So I have Robinhood Gold, so I wanted to sell my stock in pre-market hours, and you barely get any time before the market with Robinhood Gold. You get like half an hour, so it's not like that great anyway. But I was trying to sell pre-market, and there were some problems here because not a lot of people were buying, and it wouldn't let me send an order of a market price. It was forcing me to put a set price, like a limit price. I'm sorry, that's what I was looking for. It was making me set a limit price, and it rejected it a few times. So it took me a couple of tries, and I eventually was able to sell the stock, and I was forced to sell it at around $65.15. So that came to a total of $651.15. You can see it's a lot lower than what I bought it for. And so that came out to a net loss of $70.10. However, I made it to the ex-dividend date, which means that I will collect dividends on it. So if we factor in the dividends, their special dividend was at $7.50. They also had a regular dividend of 34 cents. So that came to a total of $7.84 per share. Well, I had 10 shares, so you times that by 10, and I'll be collecting $78.40. So you take the negative net loss, you take what I'm getting from dividends, and you end up with a net profit of $8.30, which is what I will be collecting. So I kind of think of this as breaking even, but in the end, I actually did make a little bit of profit. Now, there's a couple other things to mention because I did technically make some mistakes here. On May 24th, which was yesterday, the stock price was at $75 because more and more people were trying to collect this special dividend. So if I would have sold my stocks yesterday, if I would have sold my shares yesterday at $75, I would have made a profit of $28.40. Obviously, I wouldn't have collected dividends, but my profit was still more than how much I would have made with dividends and my net loss. So $8.30 compared to, I could have had $28.40, so around $20 more. So that would have probably have been the ideal situation. Now there's another thing that I could have done, which is that instead of selling in pre-market hours, I could have waited because today the price is closed at around $66.87, which means that I could have made a profit of $25.50. If I would have waited a little bit, the stock would have gone back up a little bit, and then that in combination with the dividends, I would have made around $25.50. So again, I would have made more than what I did end up making. So looking back, I could have obviously have done two different things that would have given me more profit. But in the end, who knows if I would have actually got that amount. I probably could have got close to that amount today if I would have waited. But at the end of the day, I don't even know much about Bob Evans Farms. I've never heard of them. So it's not like a stock that I'm really interested in, and I wanted to just get out. So the stock could have kept going down. I mean, who knows what could have happened, and I didn't want to leave my money in there, so I wanted to get out. So this option wasn't really an option for me. However, this one was tempting, and I was thinking about selling yesterday. But the reason that I left it was because I wanted to show on the channel what happens if you try to make this type of play. And I just kind of wanted to go through it, and I saw it as more of an experiment. I didn't really care that much. It's not a huge amount of money, and I wasn't taking a huge risk. And in the end, I ended up making money. So anyway, now you kind of know maybe what to expect if you try to make a dividend play. I think it may be better to just buy early and then maybe sell right before the ex-dividend date, unless you really like the stock, and then you can just stay in the stock and just throw all of this out the window and just stay in the stock, collect dividends, and keep waiting until you're ready to sell. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like the video and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Take care.